there, welcome to my channel. This is Madhumita. On today's video, I'll show you this beautiful and simple eye makeup. It's very easy to create. So without further ado, let's start the video. I already did my eyebrows. First, I will start by priming my face. For that, I am using Inside Cosmetics 3-in-1 primer. Now for foundation, I am using NYX Professional Total Control Draw Foundation Beige and applying on my face. Then using a damn beauty blender, I am blending this. Now for concealer, I am using Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer Medium and applying under my eyes, on forehead, bridge of my nose, on chin, around nose and around lips. Then again blending this all. Now to set this all, I am using Maybelline New York Fit Me Powder Porcelain and applying only under eyes, around nose, around lips and on forehead. For eyeshadow, first I am taking this color Purplish from Morphe 35B eyeshadow palette and applying on my crease area. I am also applying it on my outer V area and blending it properly. Then taking Grape Pop, I am applying just on it and mainly focusing on my crease line and blending it nicely. Now I am adding Pebble just on it and again blending it. After that, I am again applying Purplish to blend everything properly. Then I am taking Chicory and applying on the edges to get a nice reddish effect. After that, I am taking Lavender and applying all over my eyelid. Now I am taking this color from Revolution Pro 4K Highlighter Palette Gold and applying on my eyelid. Then taking Purplish, blending the outer V area. Then I am highlighting my brow bone using the same color. Now using Nykaa Black Magic Liquid Liner Super Black 01, I am creating winged eyeliner. Then I am tightlining my upper waterline using L'Oreal Paris Super Liner Superstar Duo Designer Black. Now I am applying Maybelline New York Volume Express Hyper Curl Mascara. Then to contour my face, I am using NYX Professional Matte Body Bronzer and applying on cheekbone, on jawline, on hairline and on nose. Then again I am taking Purplish and applying on my lower lash line. Then applying Chicory on the edges. Then applying Pebble. Now I am tightlining my waterline using L'Oreal Paris Infallible Silk Kiss Me Eyeliner Silver. Then I am highlighting my inner corner using the same color. I am using the same color to highlight my face. Now for blush, I am using Beats Me and applying on cheeks. I'm also applying mascara on my lower lashes. Now for lips, I'm using Pac Precisionist Lip Liner Flirty Fuchsia. And first I'm lining my lips. Then filling the color. Then applying purplish on it. And blending these two colors properly. So here is the complete look. Please let me know how much you love this look. And if you do, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. See you on next video. Till then, stay safe, spread love. Bye bye.